ब्रेस्तारा गोवा शिपयार्डान तटरक्षक दला खातीर बांदिल्ल्या सजग गस्ती नौक्याचे केंद्रीय मंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक आनी तांची घरकान्न विजया नाईक हांच्या हस्तुकीं जलावतरण जालें. RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नाईक.
Honorable Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Ayush and Raksha Rajya Mantri Shri Shripad Naik ji and Mrs. Vijaya Naik ji, who have very kindly consented to do the honors on the auspicious occasion of the launch of third vessel of the series of largest and most advanced new generation offshore patrol vessel.
This vessel is designed to perform multifarious roles of the Indian Coast Guard at extended ranges from the coastline. The ship incorporates a high degree of automation and is also capable of embarking and operating advanced light helicopters which are under production with Mrs. Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bengaluru. It is extremely heartening to witness a fine product of indigenous industry realized through years of hard work, perseverance and diligence. It marks yet another milestone for Goa Shipyard Limited. I would like to convey my well-merited appreciation to the Chairman and Managing Director, Goa Shipyard Limited, as well as the Coast Guard Refit and Production Superintendent, Goa, and their team who are involved in this project and brought the vessel to this stage of launching.
As the third vessel of this prestigious indigenous project for 5 offshore patrol vessels for Indian Coast Guard is being launched today. I have been told that this project is one of the repeat shipbuilding order being executed by the Goa Shipyard Limited and is a validation of the confidence reposed by the Coast Guard in the indigenous shipbuilding. It is indeed a matter of pride and honor for me and my wife to be present here for the launching of this vessel. I am confident that this launching will set the new tone for accelerated construction and timely delivery of the ship to the Indian Coast Guard.
तिसऱ्या वेसलाचे इनॉग्रेशन आज जाल्लें आसा. सगळ्यांत मोठी ऑर्डर ही कोस्ट गार्डाची आसा आनी गेली 2 शिप्स ज्यो आहा त्यो टायमान दिवपाचो रिकॉर्ड गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड केल्लो आसा. संपूर्ण देशांत जी आमची शिपयार्ड आसात त्या शिपयार्डा पैकी गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड हे नंबर 1चेर आसा की ही ऑर्डर मेळट कोणी ऑर्डर दिवता ती टायमार दिवप हे समजूंक शकता पण टायमा पयली ऑर्डर हे दिवप हे स्पेशली ह्या गोवा शिपयार्डची आसा आनी ताकाच लागून ह्या शिपयार्डाचे भवितव्य उज्वल आसा. हांव शिपयार्डाचे मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर इतर सगळे कर्मचाऱ्यांचे मनापासून अभिनंदन करता की तांणी एकत्र येवन एकमेका बरोबर चर्चा करून गोवा शिपयार्ड वयर सरप हाचो विचार केला म्हणून अशे तरेचे रिकॉर्ड शिपयार्ड मेळूंक शकता. हांव ताका बरे तरेन शुभेच्छा दिता.